Hi beautiful people, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brigy, and today I'm sharing an easy homemade hair mask that does everything: moisturizes, strengthens, and helps thicken your texturized hair. These are the simple natural ingredients you already have at home. Without losing time, let's jump into it. You're welcome. Here's what I'm using today, starting with honey. It helps put moisture into your hair. Secondly is yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt. It has strength and shine. Third is olive oil. It softens and nourishes the hair. Fourth is aloe vera for hydration and scalp health. Third is castor oil, known to promote thickness and hair growth. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Secondly, 1 tablespoon of honey. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I'm going to mix. This is how the mixture looks like, if you can see. Let me wet my hair. Make sure you section your hair into different sections. Yeah, it's gonna make your work easier, as you can see. So I'm going to apply from the roots. I'm going to apply the rest and I'll be back. Let this sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. If you can sit on the heat or a steamer, even better. It helps all that goodness sink in. Yeah, 30 minutes is over. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to rinse it out. Rinse it out well with lukewarm water. You can follow up with your regular shampoo or car wash if you feel any residue. Make sure you dry your hair with microfiber towel or a hot t-shirt. As we said, they are less abrasive. My hair feels soft, strong, and treated, and have been loving this mask weekly. It's honestly such a simple way to show your hair some love without spending a lot. And I'm going to go ahead with Carefree Curl Gold Instant Activator. This is one of my best products. It's watery, as you can see. And I'm going to apply. Yeah. Next, I'll go ahead with Cantu Come Back Next Day Curl Revitalizer. It's a kind of spray, and I love it. Yeah, and I'm going to scrunch my hair to define my curls, guys. Just scrunching my hair. Up you can see. Next, I'll go in with Big Papa Gel, small amount, just to lock in that moisture, as you can see. Like that. Super curls. Wow. If you try this, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you don't miss any new tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.